Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a shortcut on Instagram, on Snapchat. Basically, what is a shortcut? A shortcut is basically once you take a snap and you have way too many friends, instead of you actually sending the snap to every single one specifically, you can basically click on your shortcut, and from your shortcut you're going to click on select all, and then once you click on send, as you can see, it's going to be sent to all your friends that you put on the shortcut. So how we can exactly make this shortcut? It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how we can do it. Now there are two ways, okay? The first way is actually take a snap, and then once you take a snap and you click on next, okay? Click on next, and you're going to click on the plus icon over here. As you can see, you're going to find something. These are all your shortcuts, and you're going to click on new shortcut. You're going to choose whatever friends you want to use. Let's say I'm gonna choose my best friends, and after that you're going to choose a specific emoji. Okay, in my case, let's make it like friends, like this. And once you create it like this, you're going to click on done and then create shortcut. Once you click and create a shortcut, and I want to send my snap to my shortcut and to my only friends, to my best friends only, you're going to click on the shortcut, select all, and then send. And like this, you just created a shortcut. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.